How to fix filters and camera not working on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open settings on your mobile. As you open settings on your mobile, then go down to the apps option that is located in your settings. If you are using iOS, then you have to go to generals and then go to the apps. As you go to the app settings, then scroll down and find Instagram app on your mobile. As you scroll down and find Instagram app on your mobile, then click on that. As you find Instagram app, then you have to look for two things. Number one is that permissions. You have to look for the permission. If you click on permissions and then sort out for camera permission, if camera permission is allowed, then it is good for one part. Then you have to check another thing. You have to go back. If there is still problem over here, if permission is not allowed, you have to allow it from here, and now you will be good to go. If this is not the problem, then go down the storage option. As you go down to the storage option, then there will be an option of clear cache. You have to clear cache from here. If you clear cache from here, then your filters and camera will restart and they will start working. This is how you can fix filters and camera not working on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.